Hey everyone, if you are still hard coding test email addresses and static names in your automated UI and API tests, you are setting your test suite up for failure. Static data causes duplicate database records, unexpected test collisions, and unreliable pipeline runs. Today we are fixing that by using the Python Faker library to generate dynamic test data on the fly. First, let's look at how quickly you can create a dynamic API payload or database mock object with just few lines of code. As you can see here, you can build a complete user payload in Python. So every single time I run this test, it generates a unique UUID, name, email address and job title. So the next time I run, it creates a different name, and the next time. So how easy it is. So this ensures that your API tests never collide with leftover test records in your target database. Now let us look at how to use these dynamic values inside a UI automation script using Playwright. So you can see I am importing the same Faker library here, and let's put a breakpoint here so you can see it in action. So I'm going to this demo page, and when we run this test in debug mode, you can notice that how we pass the generated first name and email straight into the browser. So you can see here the browser page just opened, and let me go to this page. So we are going to this demo page, and you can see how the variables so you can see the input into the page. So it is inputting this random email address and random name, and it is pressing the enter button, and it created the task. So you can see here Andre Bruce 48. So it submits the form. So the Andrew is the name we got. So the same concept. So when you run the test again, it is going to generate a different name and a random email address. So how easy it is to implement just with a few lines of code. So you can see this makes, and also you can also generate localized data for international testing by passing a region code directly into the Faker constructor, and this makes the localized end-to-end testing across multiple markets simple and clean. So this is how you just install this library and import it, and just call that like faker.firstname or faker.lastname or any other. There are a lot of you can read the documentation. So this makes it so easy to generate these simple and clean test data, so you can use it in your API and UI tests. So as we saw here, using dynamic test data keeps your QA automation pipeline robust and repeatable and clean. So if this quick automation tip helped you out, hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below with your favorite testing tools.